Hey everyone, welcome back to Junaid TechWala.com. Today, guys, I will show you how to install Notepad++ on your macOS using PottingKit. Guys, this is a great solution if you are looking to run Windows application on macOS. So let's get it started and install PottingKit on your machine. So download and install PottingKit from its website. Click on to the portal. Go to the download. Yeah, here we have two options. Either you can download with .dmg or .zip. So I will download .dmg here. You can choose anyone. Now downloaded is completed. Open the file and now just drag the Porting Kit app into your application. Open the folder and open the Porting Kit application. So guys, you can see a Porting Kit application has been opened. Go to the apps. Here you can see we have Notepad++ application importing kit interface. Now let's get start to install Notepad++ using this porting kit application. Click on the install button. So here porting kit will automatically download all the necessary files and set up to run Windows version on Notepad++ on your Mac. Let me install it. So guys, it will take some amount of time to install Notepad++. As you can see, Win is going to create here. Now you can see installer pages pop up. Let's install Notepad++. Create shortcut on desktop. Done. You can see Notepad++ has been installed successfully. So once this installation completed, here you can see Notepad++ shortcut created on your desktop. That's it, guys. You have successfully installed Notepad++ on your Mac using Portingkit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is more informative and helpful for you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.